Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Ba and Mr. Radinda. Today, I wanna make conversation video with TC student.
Yes.
And my name is Dan Ahmad Ben Fabanyo. I'm from Dynamic class. And could you introduce yourself, sir?
Of course I can. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Abdikar Ramikasha. Everyone can get sellers. And I'm from South Borneo.
South Borneo.
Yes. No, I'm from Einstein class. And
Okay.
next. What is the topic today, brother?
Today about my first feeling at Parade.
What do you feel when you first come in here?
When I was come in here,
Yes.
I'm so bored because I'm alone in my boarding house. And if I went to BC, I'm alone and I'm so bored.
How about your family? You come in here with your family or just alone?
I'm come just alone
Just alone.
because I'm man, brother.
You're a man.
Yes.
I see.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
I'm from Molucas. You know
Molucas?
Molucas, Maluku. Yes.
Yeah, I know.
And what about you? In the first feeling?
My first feeling in here.
Yes.
My first feeling in here before I come in here. This is we have meet together in the area.
Oh.
Yeah. Before we have entered the class.
Oh my God.
And
Okay.
if you know, when I come in here, I think I have 1 month before entering the class. Yeah. And after that, I'm bored like you, but I always like active in a group. Yeah, you know, everyone entered the group, right?
Yes.
That's why I always active in the group and we talk about anything. And how about you, brother? Do you have like body house recommendation like that? My friend said to me. Yeah, of course I have. In there very cheap, but for there very expensive. You know, maybe I don't know the name body house, but for 1 month they are paying 5 million.
In your boarding house?
No, in my body house, but different body house.
Oh, your friend?
Yeah, we talk about like that and oh my God, their
So
body house is
expensive.
very expensive.
Oh,
Because
okay.
5 million is not just 1 month, but yeah, very big lah. You buy with a house, not just a back room. That's why. And where is your body house? Where's your body house?
Boarding house in Brawijaya Street, beside JNE. You know JNE?
Yeah, I know Jane.
JNE and you cut hair.
Oh, cut hair.
Yes.
I
In
see.
the Omong.
Oh, beside. You said cut hair.
JNE, cut hair in my boarding house.
Oh, you in the middle.
Yes, in the middle.
Oh my God, this is very far, bro.
So far,
Usually, with what do you come in here? What drive? What transportation? What is your transportation if you wanna come to BSC?
I'm by bicycle.
You
Yes.
rent a bicycle.
Yes, rental bicycle in Anjali Street.
Anjali Street, yeah, Anjali Street.
You know, in from Cak Gondrong in Anjali Street.
Yes. I see.
This is a restaurant, but specifically in chicken punch
Oh, chicken punch.
farm.
How much the price? What's your
Maybe 7,000.
7,000. I think that is expensive. Just for 1 month.
And because
17,000. 70,000, I think.
maybe I think so, but I have forget. I'm so forget.
Okay, I will go. And then the next, who is your friend if you come to India?
The first friend.
Yeah, the first friend.
I think the first friend, Mas Mr. Samsul.
Mr.
The
Shamsul.
first friend from Lombok.
Ah, you know
Yes.
is from.
Because he the first said from me, he asked for me.
Yes.
He said, "Hello brother,
Ah.
where are you?"
Oh.
And I said, "I'm from Mongkas. What about you?" Like that.
He is very friendly.
Yes, so friendly and very soft spoken.
Ah, soft spoken.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh my God. And if he speaks so soft, like that, where are you from? And oh my God, where are you? Where have you been? So soft spoken,
Ah.
like that.
And how about the first year class? Do you have get a lot many people with you in the class? Maybe? But do you have how about your first class? What do you feel?
I'm so I'm so nervous.
Oh really? Very
Yes,
nervous?
because I meet the people from Lombok, Bekasi.
Oh many people.
Yes, so I'm so nervous. And until now, I'm so just social.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. Ah, I see, I see, I see.
What about you? The first in your class?
What's my class? I feel like very excited because this is the first class.
Oh my God!
So because I am from Armenia, speaking like Atizda.
Oh, what did you?
Yes.
You watching in YouTube?
Watching YouTube, playing games. This is very get many vocabularies. Like I think if you want make course improve your speaking, I have one recommendation.
Watching
Games for you.
Yes.
The name is Fondi.
Fondi.
Yeah, you can meet everyone in there, and easily you can meet with language. They are one improve system like us, improve the English skill. That's why we always like help if they are like a help for the meaning of this. You can explain like that, and if you need help from there, you can ask to them.
Oh, I think like that live speaking.
Yeah, but the game is like a character, not face to face.
Oh,
Yeah,
character.
character like I forget the name, maybe like FF, but not
Oh.
like FF. Yeah,
I see.
that's why. And this is make me like very improve my skill because I can speak English from there.
Maybe I will try it.
Yeah, and if you wanna make more vocabularies, maybe you can play Rotopia. Do you know Rotopia?
I know, but I don't have play.
You never play.
I never play.
I see, I see. And the second, maybe you can play. Wait, I forgot the name. I forgot. Maybe my represent Rotopia. Second is Roblox.
Roblox. Oh,
Yeah.
I know.
Because they are speak English from Roblox. Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes you meet with English people, but the service is different. Service.
I know.
Serve.
So maybe server.
Yeah. Very many server in the Roblox. When I was child, I always play these games with my niece. Niece and yeah. But she is speak English. I don't understand when I was child. That's why I learn about English in here, study English in here, and I get like a little. Yeah.
Maybe this game Roblox. I was playing with my girlfriend.
Oh, it's
God.
girlfriend. Oh, yeah,
Yes.
girlfriend. Oh my God.
Oh, because I'm elder. Like that.
I see.
And we don't meet,
Mm-hmm.
and we played game.
I said like yo, my feeling and company very like mugat and like scary afraid because I really afraid at first. So yeah, but we are very active. But you must active in the group and I was like if you can do any if you can help them you can please help them.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Maybe
thank you so much.
enough.
Yeah, now because clip is off. Yeah,
I'm so sorry.
Very nice. This is very nice, right? Yeah, this is why.
Yes.
Okay.
And just from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Enjoy the video.
Cek.